Okay, so the recording is on. You can put up your names and numbers for attendance. And once some other students of your class are also here, we'll start. Kids are requested to please inform your classmates to please join the class, as I'll have to make certain announcements today, and I do not want anyone to miss that. Okay, so thank you for joining. Have you checked your project details? Okay.
Ma'am, we have to do presentation of the project.
Mm, yes, any one topic.
Okay, ma'am.
That is what I'm coming to. Today's what, 10th, and exams. You are Division A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you asked to join SB lecture? Okay, that was by mistake. Now, the announcement that I have to make is that everyone will be making their assignments, and that is might be having a number of questions. मैम किससे कैसे बनाना है, किसमें बनाना है? That is absolutely your choice. You want to make in Word, make in Word. You want to write, you can write. That is absolutely your call. But the minimum number of pages that should be there is 10. No, you cannot use PPTs. Even for the presentation, you will not be using the PPTs. You'll be just stating what you have done in the write up. Okay? Now, once that is clear that you have to submit it, and the last date that I've mentioned over there is 29th. Anything which is submitted post 29th will not be held as acceptable. late submissions are not allowed. Am I clear? For the project, any sort of late submissions are not allowed.
Ma'am, can you extend the date?
Mm, you want me to explain what you have to do in the project? They're basic write-ups. I've given you the topics over there, and whatever you have understood from that topic and whatever you think about it, that is everything which you have to write down. As simple as that. It's absolutely applied. Whatever we have studied in the entire syllabus of macroeconomics, from that, whichever theory is applicable to whatever topic, accordingly you have to turn up and write down what you have understood and what do you think about that particular topic. And I've mentioned around about 6 topics in your in the question in the document that I've attached. From that, you have to do only 3, and from those 3, you have to present only 1. But here is the catch, and that is your presentations will be starting from tomorrow itself. Okay, so I'll tell you for that how we'll be starting it. You are aware about your, you might not be aware about your numbers and everything. So let me tell you, we'll be starting as per the roll numbers, and every day I'll be taking 15 students, because every person will be getting only 3 minutes for the presentation. Okay, so on day 1, that is tomorrow, the students, those who have to start the presentation are Kunchit, Rushali, Devraj. You want me to see, for those people who are writing it down, it is 10 pages per topic. But for those who are making it in the Word document, the minimum number of pages is 10 for all 3 topics. Because there is a huge gap between the spacing and everything when we are writing down something and when we are printing something. Not printing, when we are making it in a Word document. So if you are making it in a Word document, the minimum number of pages is 10. If you are writing it down, then for per topic, the maximum number of pages is 10. If you want, I'll change whatever is there, so that there's no more confusion. And no, you cannot use PPTs whatsoever. Now I'm giving the names of those students who have to present tomorrow itself. The names for the students who will be presenting on 11th 6 2021 is Kunchit Sindhav, Roshali Nandini, Nandani, Devraj, Pachil Kalaria, Jitesh Gandhi, Sujal Raichura, Dhruvi Patel, Shubham Karelia, Riya Raval, Archie Kapadia, Dinesh Gajera, Jaisvi Ramani, Vimal Rughani, Ayush Maru, and Krisha 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 Ranpara. These are the students who will be presenting tomorrow itself. Am I clear?
Ma'am, any one topic from the
Anyone,
topic,
anyone.
and 10 pages we have to write today only, so
Nana, You don't have to write today. You just have to get ready with the presentation for 3 minutes. Written submission is something that has to take place on the date of submission.
So, ma'am, then only tomorrow we have to speak only. So we
Yes.
don't have to do some presentation.
You don't have
Means
to take any presentation, anything at all. Just get ready that how, what are you thinking about the topic and what you'll write about, because for tomorrow I understand that you're having a very short period of time, but if you're focusing on any one topic, then I hope you'll be able to even write down.
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay.
So try to do it. Yes, you only have to speak. I hope I'm clear with this. Should I repeat the names of the students, so those who have to present tomorrow? Okay. That is Kunchit, Rushali, Devraj, Harshil, Jitesh, Sujal, Dhruvi, Shubham, Riya, Archie, Dinesh, Jesvi, Vimal, Ayush, and Krisha. These are the students who will be presenting tomorrow. Yes, Rushali, what is your concern, beta? Nahi, bache, you just have to speak about the topic. You do not have to share anything. Obviously, others will join. Else, how will they get the attendance? Basically, it is a write up. What is a write up? Write up is something like, what do you understand of the topic, what is there in the existing scenario, what solutions are can be provided, and which theories are applicable to the topic. Everything, whatever comes to your mind is valid. Okay, so these are the names of the students who will be presenting the topic on 11th. Then directly we are having a lecture on Tuesday. We don't have a lecture on Monday, right? Yes, Dhruvi, that's what we have to do. We do we have a lecture on Monday? So the next batch will be coming on Tuesday of 15 students. Next 15. And those next 15 will be Kishan, Kushi, Priti, Meshwa, Kilvi, Janvi, Priya, Modi, Priya Sejpal, Milan, Mansi, Rajvi, Parthil, Zils, Shruti Raja, and Siddhi. They'll be presenting on Tuesday next week. I know, beta, that you have a lecture on Friday, and that is why I've told that the first batch will be presenting tomorrow itself. That is on 11th 6 2021. Sorry, 2021. This is about the second batch, which will be presenting on
Ma'am,
Tuesday.
can you repeat what you have said? Because due to network issue, I have late just now. I have joined the lecture just now.
No, we'll be starting from tomorrow itself. I've only discussed the names of the students who will be presenting the topic tomorrow and on Tuesday. And sure, I'll do that. And I've already told you people that you just have to get ready with one topic till tomorrow, which is not a very big task. And yes, those who are not available on the day of their presentation will be marked as absent and they'll not be getting another chance. I'll once again repeat the names of those who have to present tomorrow, and that is Kunchit, Rushali, Devraj, Harshal, Jitesh, Sujal, Dhruvi, Shubham, Riya, Archie, Dinesh, Jesvi, Vimal, Ayush, and Krisha. They have to present tomorrow. Then on Tuesday, the students, those who have to present are Kishan Trivedi, Khushi, Diti, Meshwa, Kelvi, Janvi, Priya Modi, Priya Sejpal, Milan, Mansi, Rajvi, Parthil, Zils, Shruti Raja, and Siddhi Zalaria. Am I clear now? Okay, then the next batch, that those who have to present on Wednesday are, please note your name and the day. That is next week, Wednesday. Those who will be presenting are Savan, Kevin, Yashvi, Purva, Griva, Nishrin, Priyanshi, Deep, Nandini Joshi, Bhargav, Krishna, Smith Kumar, Hinal, Ayushi Waghela, and Priyansh Shah. These are the name of the students who will be presenting on Wednesday. Next week, Wednesday. The name of students, those who will be presenting in next week on Thursday are Dev Kaneria, Ayush, Naran, Parth, Kushi Bhansali, Jeet, Bhargav Kumar, Vivek, Ishan Chauhan, Neil, Priya Saglani, Harsh, Keval, Dhruvin, and Nishi. These are the name
Excuse
of the
me, ma'am.
students. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to present one topic and we have to write three topics, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And in presentation, you'll be just given 3 minutes to talk about the topic. That's it. No questions, nothing doing. So till here we are till Thursday. That is 17th. Now the students, those who will be presenting on next Friday, that is on 18th, are, please note down your day. Okay. So these students are Nandini Dudani, Jaydevi Ba, Rohan, Nimi, Dhruvin Akbaria, Kushi, Harsh Seth, Dhruvi Chauhan, Kishan Kotak, Yesha, Mihir, Vivek, Zeel, Meet Kumar, Meet Patel, these are the students who will be presenting on next Friday. Do they want me to repeat the names? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Then on, this is till 18th, and from 21st your papers are starting. But even then you can do the 3 minutes work. So I'll be giving you the names as per the lecture requirement, as per the availability of the lecture, or those who will, those who are still remaining after the exams, their presentation will continue after post exams. Okay. Yes. So till 920000425079, the students till this enrollment number are covered, and we are still a long way ahead. Basically, we'll be having 40 more students are there with me even after this. So I think I'll be taking 3 more days. If in your within your exams 3 days are available, I'll be taking the presentations then itself. If they're not available, then we'll take accordingly. Am I clear? Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, that is mentioned in the classroom.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am means we can submit till any time, matlab till 20 we can submit at any time, but we have to explain any one topic that time that you have given us the time.
Yes.
Okay. On the time that we have to explain, we do not need to submit, na?
Not at all.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
That is what I was trying to explain you since long. कि भाई सिर्फ लिख के सबमिट आपको 20 जून से पहले करना है, 20 जून तक करना है. और शुड आई मेक इट 25 if you want?
Ma'am, 25.
Yeah,
please.
ma'am, please.
Okay, fine. I'll make it 25.
Yes, ma'am. Please make it till 25.
Okay, बच्चे, I'll make it 25. चलो अभी कर देते हैं आपके लिए. इतनी सी रिक्वेस्ट तो मैं अपने बच्चों की मान सकती हूँ. And it is चलो, it is 25 now. One person has already turned in. Who's this? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, now there is one person who has already submitted, but the only problem is that there is a slight change in the instructions. That is, you have to make sure that if you are sending me a document, the font size is only 12, and that too only in Times New Roman, nothing else. So the person who has already submitted has understood what he has done. He needs to submit it again. Okay, so all this is done. What we'll do now is Someone wants to say something? Yes, Jasvi. Okay, so I'll start with your revision for today, and that too with the help of MCQs. Chalo. Are you ready for it?
Ma'am, PDF or document, anyone, no, we can submit in PDF or doc.
आपकी इच्छा.
Okay, ma'am.
You're having a free reign. जो चाहे करो. Written, if you want to submit it in written, submit it in written. If you want to submit it in a document, Word document, submit it in a Word document. If you want to convert it to a PDF, convert it to a PDF. बस उससे ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट मत करना. Yes, both are acceptable, written or digital. Okay, now chalo, give me the answer for this one. What is the price of one currency in term of another currency known as? Okay, that's very nice. Everyone is having a similar answer. Yes, the answer is A, that is foreign exchange rate. Now, the market where the national currencies are traded for one another is known as what? Okay, yes, it is the foreign exchange market. Now, the increase in the value of foreign commodities is known as what? Increase in the value of foreign commodities is known as what? Yes, Darsh, you are absolutely right. It is called devaluation. बच्चों क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, so the next question is, decrease in the value of foreign commodities is known as what? Yes, the right answer is A, and that is revaluation. Now, what is the cause of devaluation of any country's currency? What is the cause of devaluation of any country's currency? Yes, the answer is all of them, and that is increase in the domestic inflation rate. Domestic real interest rate is less than the foreign interest rate, and there is much increase in income. All of them are responsible for it. Then the operation of daily nature in the foreign exchange market is known as what? Unanimous decision है इनका. Okay, A is the right answer. That is spot market. Now, the operation of future delivery in the foreign exchange market is known as what? Yes, that is forward market. In forward market, you can book one more thing, and that is advances. Now, the hybrid in management of fixed and flexible exchange rate is known as a what? Managed to float, crawling peg, wider bands, and none of these. Okay, yes, the answer is managed to float. Then the trade of visible items between the countries is known as dash. Yes, you are right, it is balance of trade. Then, when the imports and exports of visible items are equal, the situation is known as. बोलो बोलो बोलो. Only few of you are replying. Not good. The answer is A. Now, when there is a favorable balance of trade, which condition suffices? Hmm? Okay, all those who are saying B are wrong. The correct answer is A. Exports is more than imports. Okay, now when there is an unfavorable balance of trade, which one holds? Obviously, C is the correct answer. Now, the trade of visible and invisible items is known as what? Other things remaining unchanged when in a country the price of foreign currency increases, the national income is. It is likely to increase. Okay, other things remaining same when in a country the market price of foreign currency falls. Okay. Now, which one is the kind of exchange rate? Which one is the kind of exchange rate? Mm-hmm. Yes, it is C. Now, which of the following is true? Yes, both of them are true. Okay, now, which one of the following is a kind of fixed exchange rate? Both of them are the kind of fixed exchange rate. Okay. Now, which one is the merit of a fixed exchange rate? The answer is all. Which one is the demerit of the fixed exchange rate? हमेशा all of the above answer नहीं होता. That does not mean case में नहीं है. Answer is D. Now, which one is the merit of a flexible exchange rate? Yes, the correct answer is again D. Which one is the demerit of a flexible exchange rate? Okay. Yes, the answer is again D. Which one is the source of the demand for exchange rate? Foreign exchange. Sorry. Which one is the source for the demand of foreign exchange? भाई आप लोगों ने तो हद ही कर दी. हर चीज का आंसर डी आ रहा है आप लोगों का तो. But that is also true. Then, foreign exchange is determined by what? Foreign exchange is determined by Are you sure? I already told you every answer cannot be D. Yes, foreign exchange is determined by the demand and supply of foreign exchange in the foreign exchange market. Here the answer is none of the above, na D. The correct answer is C. Now, from the foreign exchange market, the forms of foreign exchange market are or is yes, the answer is C. That is cotton forward. Now, the foreign exchange rate is determined by Okay, chalo. I'll stop over here with the MCQs. Now, there are certain questions that I have to ask, which might be fun. Okay, which one of the item is from the current account? Exactly all. Now, dash refers to the rate at which one currency is exchanged for another? What is the answer? Are you sure? Are you sure? Now are you sure? Okay, now the dash rate of exchange refers to the rate of exchange as determined by the government. Chalo, good. Pass. Now we'll stop over here and we'll meet tomorrow with your presentations. Till then, thank you. Take care of yourself. Make sure your attendance is marked in the chat box.